Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add a public figure in Instagram bio. It's quite simple. Just follow me till the end and you'll get that tag in your bio with ease. Now, how do you do this? Once you're here in your profile, you can click on the top right corner to go into the hamburger menu. And then you can go ahead and click on account type and tools. It's this option right here. Once you do that, you can click on the switch to professional account button. It is important that you have a professional account. This does not work for personal accounts. So make sure you know that. Once this is done, you can click on next. And this is where our options come into play. Just search for the public figure tag and then you can go ahead and select it. Then make sure that the display on profile option is checked and just click on the switch to professional account button. Once this is done, you can click on next and click on the X on the top right corner, since these steps can be completed in the future as well. And as you can see here, I have public figure added to my bio. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add public figure in your Instagram bio. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.